we still have some of this leftover buffalo chicken wing dip, and I got some brown rice, gluten-free macaroni. So I'm gonna go ahead and make buffalo chicken wing, macaroni and cheese. Boy, it doesn't seem like much, but basically you just put in some of this buffalo chicken wing dip, and all you gotta do is move it around, shake it, stir it up, and before you know it, you got buffalo chicken mac and cheese. Oh boy, doesn't that look good? Gluten-free. Oh, that's good. That's really good. This is an awesome way to have leftover buffalo chicken wing dip. Oh, it's so good.